NEC's flying car, presented by Science and Exploration. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it is just NEC Corporation's flying car months after work on the design. The vehicle soared into the air for an unmanned hover test in the presence of journalists. The aircraft is like a drone, but that is where the similarity ends, as NEC's four-rotor model is much heavier and requires industrial-strength technologies. The model measures 12.7 feet by 4.2 feet, weighs 326 pounds, at NEC's Abiko branch in Chiba Prefecture. The vehicle hovered about 3 meters off the ground for a minute. Personal transport would follow in the mid-2020s for use in rural areas and 2030s for urban areas. The roadmap acknowledges the role of the private sector and the fact that companies are beginning tests this year. Many companies are developing aerial vehicles including Airbus SE, Boeing Corporation, and Uber Technologies. NEC has been running experiments for several months, but the test Monday marked the prototype's public unveiling. The important points. There will be a flying car in 2023. A flying car flew for a minute, and it is a very light car. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.